You go for a long trade here on K cap. Got a bit of a gap what we can hope to close. Been going down, back up again. Looks like it wants to keep going up a bit. Getting a little bit stuck on the old moving average, which is not entirely unexpected, but at the same time that gives us a nice easy stop. So long there anyway from 1068 on K cap. Alright, going to close this out at 8 cent loss. K cap, so just got filled at 1061, so 7 cent loss. As I say, wanted to use moving average as a stop, gone down below the moving average, back up again. Still going to keep an eye on it because there's every chance of getting a second entry into this one, so we're not done yet. Having a look at REGN, going to take a short. Quite a big old spread. Opening up between 4 and 5 cents. Gone short 21.77 on that. This is CSIQ on the Nasdaq, and looking to get in short on this one. Messy old chart, a lot of down, up, down again. Predominantly looking downwards at the moment. So just waiting to get confirmation of the entry. That's good enough for me. In short at 29.47. It's going to be a bit of a rough ride, this one. Here's one what got away. Too busy watching other stuff. Look at that. Pretty much $3 range so far, all in one direction. Would have been lovely, wouldn't it? But there we go. Can't always catch them all, unfortunately. It's part of the game. So CSIQ short from 47 up here somewhere. It's looking alright in it, but I want to take half off around about here. Alright, taking half off 29.02, which has put $225 profit locked in, and we'll see what occurs with the rest of it. Back on REGN, came down nicely, short from 77, so around about here somewhere. Did come down nicely. Ran back up again now. I did keep close eye on this at the time, and volume was almost non-existent, so I don't put too much by what happened up here. We are getting a bit of sideways action now, so just want to lock in a bit. Going to cover half of it by buying back half at this point. Alright, just got to fill 21.42, which took 175 on that, and still short from as I say, from 77 up here, so we'll see what happens with the rest of that one. This is BBL on the NYSE. Kept an eye on this earlier on. It was looking like it might go upwards, close some of that gap. In fact, it just built around there for a bit, and then it's been dropping off since then, and looking pretty weak, so possibly looking to get in for a short. Don't want to stay around too long because gone 11 o'clock. Alright, spread keeps opening and closing up on this one, so not quite ready to go in just yet. There we go, it's closed up now, the spread. Alright, I've got a short 55.17 on there. Alright, BBL dropping off quite nicely, short from 55.17 up around here. Going to cover half of this as it is dropping off pretty quick. Covered half at 54.74, taking 215 on that, just to lock in a little bit of profit, give us a little bit of buffer zone. Well, I'm going to close out the other half of this REGN trade, close out half at 21.42. Ain't really going anywhere, and volume's really dried up, so just going to cover the last half around here. Alright, just got filled 21.46, taking 155 on the second half there. Alright, I'm going to close out the other half of CSIQ. We took half out 29.02. Come down a bit since then. Back up again, and looking a little bit sideways. Not too happy with the way it's going at the moment. So getting a bit late in the day as well, getting on towards lunchtime. So I want to close out around about here. Alright, came out 28.69, taking 3.90 on the second half there. Alright, I want to finish this up, just close out this BBL trade. Got a little bit stuck, dropped off again nicely. Probably still got some more in it, but got other things to be doing, so getting all for midday. So just got 500 what I need to cover. Alright, just got fill there, 54.18, taking 495 to finish that one up. Alright, just before giving you a little summary, just wanted to show you what happened with that K-cap chart, what we was looking at earlier. Never did go up further, did it? Just sort of went sideways. Volume completely dried up on that one, tiny little bars, so there we go. But that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, so little summary then, as always. K-cap, that first one, as I say, never worked out. Took a little $70 loss on that. Bit of a bigger loss than what I would normally like to take, but there we go. That's the way it worked out. CSIQ took 225 on the first part. REGN 175 on the first part of that one, and BBL 215 on the first part, and then we finished up with REGN taking 155 on the second half of that. CSIQ finished 390 on the second half of that, and BBL that worked out quite nicely, taking 495 on the second half of that one. So add all that up and take off that little loss at the start, gives $1,585 profit on that, trading 1,000 shares. And there was scope there obviously to trade more shares and take a bigger profit. I always do 1,000 when I'm doing these videos, just because concentration is divided between video and trading, so prefer not to risk more than 1,000 shares while videoing. Alright, I hope that's been useful, and have another one for you soon.